Hello, today I'm going to talk about cancer cells which have formed giant cells within the tumor. Giant cells are basically a very large cell that is a group of cells that have coalesced together to join all their nuclei into a bag of cytoplasm, and therefore they're a much larger cell which houses 10, 20 more nuclei. Giant cells are typical in Hodgkin's lymphoma, but they're also found in other metastatic cancers like prostate, lung, and breast cancers. Why are they similar to slime mold? Because slime mold is also a single cell that has learned when the environment is not supportive to become a multinucleated cell. Slime mold can join many cells together so that they can spread themselves across a large surface of the ground, and they look like a slime with many tubules joining parts of the slime here and there. But this whole surface of slime mold is only one cell that have joined innumerable cells together to form this large mass of sliminess. Why is this similar to cancer cells? Because slime mold does this when it is exposed to a hostile environment. And it does this because then it is more resistant to toxins in the environment. It is able to gather more nutrients when the nutrient supply is low. It can deal with low oxygen levels and so on. So, slime mold does this when the environment is hostile. And cancer cells also develop giant multinucleated cells in the cancer tissue when the environment is hostile. In fact, showing metastatic cancer with evidence of giant cells in the tumor is a bad prognostic sign because those giant cells are more resistant to chemotherapy. They tend to migrate more often to other places in the body. They tend to pinch off daughter cells so that daughter cells can again metastasize, and they tend to teach other cells in the environment the tricks of the trade. Yes, it's a bad prognostic sign when there are giant cells in the cancer tissue. Researchers have found that injecting one giant cell into a mouse can produce multiple tumors. Slime mold and cancer giant cells are very similar in their behavior in that they are doing this to survive in a hostile environment.